All right, guys, wish me luck. I'm gonna need it. It's gonna come off the tile, right? Oh no.
It's cold out today. You don't trust me?
I don't trust me either, though.
Here's the tile.
Moment of truth, guys. I think that looks awesome. What do you think?
One thing that I totally did not anticipate is that the color of this green wall like perfectly matches the color of the trees outside. It's like we have the outside coming in, and that's pretty cool. Putting the tile up is the easy part. Figuring out the layout is the most complicated part, in my opinion. And this wall with the shower valve and the niche and also just the dimensions and the way it worked out with these large tiles, it took us a long time to figure out the layout.
When he says a long time, like literally hours. Like hours and hours.
But I think we have it figured out and the time is gonna be worth it.
All right, and I think it's time to put the tile up now.
Okay, here we go. On these large format tiles, it's really difficult to get them all perfectly flush with each other. And with these really little grout joints that we're doing, it's really obvious when they're not flush. And then we found this product called the Spin Doctor that allows you to put this special spacer in that sits behind the tile, spin this guy on, and it forces all of the tiles to be flush with each other. It also clamps them all in place so they don't want to move once they're set. Now for the hard part.
The fun part?
The fun part. I think it's definitely gonna work. It just needs to hold it till we get the tile on.
Held together with bubble gum and duct tape over there.
Courtney had the idea to tape the edge stuff. What's it called? The edge trim?
Edge profile? I don't know.
Wish me luck. I didn't break it. Hopefully it fits.
Let's find out. Can it fit? Wow.
It fits.
Amazing.
It fit. Last wall tile. Here we go. That concludes the last of the flooring that we have to put in. All that's left now is the shower curb and then a lot of other stuff too. So for some reason on this pre-made pan, this curb is a 1/2 inch wider than this curb, and that's gonna mess up our layout. So I'm adding this extra piece of 1/2 inch thick go board here to make them the same. These are the pieces for the outside curb, and they're gonna come together like this, but we don't wanna overlap them where you see the outside edge of the tile, so I'm actually gonna miter these two corners so that the grout joint is right on the corner.
It's snowing.
1 3/4. Yep. Lift up a little bit. A little more. Right there. Ready?
You ready for the last piece of tile?
Last piece in the shower. Here we go. Pound it.
Nice job.
Great job.
That's all you. I'm up next. The dogs have been super patient with us this week. We've been working on the apartment the entire week. And so it's snowing, it's really pretty out, and I think we're gonna take them for a little adventure. Let's go. Onward! This is fun. Oh! Ah, they're going in my eyes.
We're facing the wrong way for this snow.
All right, back to work.
Playtime's over, she says.
It's afternoon nap time.
Heating up some lunch on the wood stove. We got all the boots and gloves drying out around it. This thing has been working out really well for us. 33 outside, 71 inside.
I hope this isn't a mistake. It's very black. I want the grout to be darker than the tiles, and this is the option, so we're gonna go for it. All right, guys, wish me luck. I'm gonna need it. This is terrifying.
I made a huge mess just mixing this stuff.
It's gonna come off the tile, right?
I have no idea.
It's not like marble that needed to be sealed ahead of time, right?
No.
Okay. We're gonna send it.
She requests a ponytail. Do I put the scrunchie twice around?
Yeah.
What do you think, guys? You guys did a terrible job.
Oh gosh. Oh.
What do you think?
Ow! Okay, moment of truth. Oh no.
What's oh no?
This is making a mess. It is so messy and it's very difficult to see the grout joints. Okay, the good news is I don't think I actually dyed the tile black. I think it's gonna come clean.
This kind of job is definitely above my pay grade and attention span. So I am really glad that Courtney is so good at it.
Oh, there's a lot of grout joints. I think I'm gonna have nightmares about this for a very long time. Can't see, I'm working in a dark hole.
Not only are they film lights, they're also excellent work lights.
One of the things that I find the hardest with tiling is keeping your sponge clean when you're grouting. So when I found this, I was hooked, and now I don't think I could tile without it. It's a special sponge that's perforated to help you scrub the tile and increase the surface area on the sponge. And then it's a special bucket that's got a grate in the bottom to keep sediment underneath. So you rinse the sponge, and then it has rollers to help you get all of the moisture out of the sponge so that you're not over wetting the grout. This thing is amazing, and it makes cleaning up the tiles so much easier. It looks really good. So now we're gonna leave this for a few hours to set up, and then I'll come do another wipe down once it's fully set up. Our goal is to get this bathroom wrapped up because we have something very exciting arriving this week. So we're gonna try to get the rest of the tile work done in the shower today. Step one involves a rubber mallet. Makes me nervous every time, but this is what we're supposed to do, so. Just like that.
How did you choose that color for the grout?
This was the color they had in stock that wasn't black or white. I think it's gonna look good, and I'm hoping that this is less stressful than last night. Yes, already less stressful.
Courtney found a shower head system that is ultra low flow and supposed to be really high pressure that we're very excited to try out.
Should I even ask, or should I just walk away?
I think you should just walk away. Is this a terrible idea? Yes. I don't know if you guys remember the bear that mongered this hole, but I didn't quite get it in the right spot. I need to cut a little more out of the bottom here. All right, plug your ears, everyone. Totally worked. I was just using the old drywall bit that we used for all the rest of the cutting around here. I'm sure they make a better cutting tool for doing that, but it worked, so I guess that means it wasn't a terrible idea. I don't know why I'm so skeptical of this tape. Our entire camper is held together with it.
Do you feel a little crazy when you say that out loud?
I do. Seems attached. Okay, here we go. And then this is magnetic, and it just goes like that.
Wow.
And it just goes like that. I think it's perfectly cooking.
Is that what it's gonna sound like? Spaceship?
Uh-huh. It said that these are used on spaceships.
What do you think of my new hairdo?
I like it. The side tail.
We're not hilarious.
Yeah, they are.
Yeah. You're defective.
I don't
How
know.
do I return you? Oh, why did I do that?
So I just looked up the specs on this shower head, and it's 1.3 gallons a minute, which makes it like half of the consumption of an average shower head. We're excited to give it a try and see how it works.
At this point, I don't even care if it's just a garden hose coming out of the wall. I'm so excited to have a shower.
Okay, babe, what is this?
This is the last bit of grout. Oh, I'm glad you saved the grout. Look what I found.
What did you find?
Pinhole. Dang pinhole. I know it seems really, really, really silly that we're doing our shower before we have water and septic, but stay tuned for more on that very soon.
Within the next few weeks, we will be able to take showers in here, which we are both super looking forward to.
Like, number one on our list is to be able to take nice showers. That would be a significant improvement to our current situation. So with that, thank you guys for watching. We'll see you guys in a few days. We're actually going to be putting the rest of the bathroom on hold for now because something very exciting has arrived.
Make sure you stay tuned for our next episode. It's going to be a good one.
So we were just reminiscing on other tile jobs we've done, and we remembered probably the most ridiculous thing to have ever happened to us at a Lowe's.
We mixed up the grout, and it just was not coming to the right consistency.
And we were doing it at a friend's house, and our friend was like, "It looks like pancake batter."
And then somebody tasted it, and it turned out that sure enough, somebody had swapped out the grout for flour and then returned it. Crazy.